In this lecture, guys, we're going to be looking at global constants. Now, with global constants, it differs from class constants. With global constants, constants is nothing more but a value that cannot be changed or reassigned throughout the whole entire PHP script while the PHP script is running or is at runtime. So again, a constant, global constant, is nothing more but a value that can't be changed once it's been assigned a value throughout the entire script. You cannot reassign it a second value. Let me start by showing you a demonstration. I'll write my PHP code. And I'm going to put in our comments. This is an example of global constants. We actually use a special function, built-in function by PHP, or built-in method by PHP called define. And with this method or function, it lets PHP know we're going to be using a constant. The way that we set it up, we pass in two pieces of information into our define method or function. And the first piece of information or argument is the constant name. And by good programming practice with all good programmers, constants are usually defined by all capital letters. So we can just use first name, first underscore name, and we can assign the value. I'm going to say my name, Jadian. So if we do that, we can define some more. So I'll put define. And then for our first piece of information, I can do last name in all capital letters. And I'll do Forte. And for our last one, we can do define, and I'll just use age 29. Okay, so pretty much in a nutshell, straightforward, this is how we define and assign a value to our newly declared constants. Again, these are global constants that can be used within your entire PHP script within these PHP tags. Again, we use our define built-in method to declare our constants, and we just pass in two pieces of information. That's the constant name. You can name it anything you want, and for good programming practices, make sure that it's in all capital letters, because future programmers will know that it's a constant by good programming practice. And for the second piece of information, you can use any kind of value. It's your personal choice. So what I did was set up three different constants. And remember, once we assign the values the first time, they cannot be changed throughout the program. They cannot be changed. Again, in our next piece, I'll actually show you these in action.